are 5 benefits of honey. 1. Rich in antioxidants. Honey contains many important bioactive plant compounds and antioxidants, such as flavonoids and phenolic acids. 2. Better for blood sugar levels than regular sugar. Although honey raises your blood sugar level just like other types of sugar do, the antioxidants it contains may help protect against metabolic syndrome and type 2 diabetes. 3. May help soothe coughs. Honey has been used as a natural cough suppressant for centuries. 4. May improve cholesterol levels. Some studies have shown that consuming honey may lead to modest reductions in total and bad LDL cholesterol. 5. May help heal wounds. Honey has been used for centuries as a natural wound healer and infection fighter. Ingredients: honey,